everybody. Welcome to Dean GT Specials channel. This is a review of the Onn Wireless Earphones with a charging case, and I picked these up at Walmart because they were $14, so I figured why that. I lost a pair of, I think I paid $60 or something for them. They actually had active noise canceling. These ones do not. These are just some very basic ones. I think they've had these models up for a while. They say it's maybe a slightly newer version or something like that. But anyway, headphones or earphones, excuse me, look just like that. So they look like they're kind of a ripoff of the J-Buds or whatnot, J-Labs, all those other ones that are out there that are like that. Not quite the Apple ones, but they're trying to rip it off. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up here. I'm going to see what it looks like. And inside the case we get, it looks like, here is the headphones itself, and then we get some earbud sizes here, which is kind of nice. I like to see that. So I'm taking that out. It looks like it comes in a piece of paper, and it looks like the charger is actually right there. I'm guessing you got to take it out from the side here. But anyway, charger, everybody's seen those before. All right, so take this apart and take a look at that, and yeah, it looks just like all the other headphones I've bought like this. Looks like they do have a little bit of protective tape on there to keep it from charging up. So these will probably have to charge before we use them. So I'll go ahead and charge them, and then I'll be back later and we'll do a review of how they sound. But for now, they look pretty sleek. I mean, they do look cheap, not gonna lie. They don't look like they're name brand by any means, but they don't look bad. I mean, they still look pretty nice in my opinion. So they're about what, inch long. You know, if you really want to kind of look at it, it's almost like one square inch in a way, depending on how it's laying. Looks like it comes with some pretty small size earbuds there. So yeah, I mean, they're not big and they're not heavy either. We should probably get a weight test here. I'll go ahead and get the scale. Okay, we're back with the scale, and let's take a look and see what one earbud weighs. And that is 4.28, and just to see, let's see if the other one weighs any different. 4.27, so pretty much the same there. The case itself weighs 28.41, and let's see what it looks like with both of them back in there. Just a moment as I put them back in. There we go. So fully loaded, 36.9, so about 37 grams, so not very heavy at all. And the case itself, we got it, looks like it's about 2.5, I want to say, maybe more like 2 1/3 or 2 1/4, you know. So no, I'd say about 2.5 when I move it over. It looks like I had to move it over a little bit. So yeah, I'd say about 2.5 long and about. Okay, so I had a chance to check the charging time, and it took about 2.5 to 3 hours to charge, which is about what it said on the packaging. Did have to take off. There was some plastic that was on here, as we saw before. Had to take it off before you put them back into the case, and then charge the case itself. The bag, it has a USB-C case. The cord that it does come with is pretty cheap, not worth even showing you here, as I don't have it handy, but it is pretty cheap. Now, sound quality, it lacked a lot of highs, like some really crisp highs, but overall, they were loud. Almost too loud in a way. You could get really, really loud with them, which it's good and bad. I mean, you could hurt your hearing with them. It's good where you can get it louder, as loud as you want. So really, you can kind of dial it in to what you like. So I do like that factor. As far as how they look and stuff, I mean, they do look pretty generic. The case itself is just a matte kind of finish on it. You know, kind of like, looks like a little pill bottle or something, but these themselves, well, they do look kind of cheap. They don't look any different than a lot of the other ones you can see online either. So you tap it to answer a call, you hold the tap to cancel your call if you're getting a call. You tap it once to fast forward, tap it twice to back up, I believe. Stuff like that. So It's all in the manual here. We can take a quick look at the manual here. One thing I do like about Onn is they come with manuals that are pretty concise. I mean, they're really to the point. Tell you exactly what you need to know, no more, no less. That is one nice thing, and I have bought a lot of their products in the past. It might be on the other side here. Yeah, so here is how you use them. So you can pause the video if you want and take a look at that, but that is how you would use them, and it does seem to work. So it looks like 1 tap for play, hold 2 seconds for voice assistant, 2 taps for next track, and 3 taps for previous. So I was a little off there on my initial assessment, but that's how it's done. So if you're looking for a pair of headphones, or I should say earbuds, and you have only $15 or so, they're on sale at Walmart right now. The Onn series of headphones here. They do have a slightly cheaper version that look more like the Apple iPods. They're not too bad. Looks like they have less of a charging time, and they don't have the high quality audio, so I didn't really want to get those. They probably sound okay, but these ones actually, except for the highs, it does have a bass. It doesn't have a lot of bass. It's not real rich, but it's got a punch. So that's good. The mids are fine. No problem with the mids. So again, if you're looking for a budget pair of earbuds and you want the Bluetooth ones, these are great, because if you lose them, you're not going to cry about it too much, and you can always buy a new pair. A video cutout, but right now they're on sale for $15. So check them out if you want. Actually, I kind of like them, and I'm going to use them quite a bit, considering they're the only ones I have now. But I will probably get some better ones in the future, and maybe do some reviews on those as well. But for now, yeah, if you're looking for a budget pair of earbuds, give these a try. Not bad. Not for the price. Well, if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll have some more pen videos and some more review videos coming soon. Thank you.